Today I'm going to show you another knife from my friend's collection. He's kindly lent me to make a film of. We take it out of its pouch. As you can see, it's a very pretty looking knife. This one, by all accounts, he said he got from America, and wood scales on it. And another interesting little fact of it, if you pick this out like so, there's a little light on it, LED light, so you can see what you're doing, although it's a bit back to front, never mind. Once again, it has a safety up there which you push down to operate, and one quick flick and there she is. A nice blade. I don't know, it's very sharp. Whether it holds an edge or not, I'm not too sure. But you press the button on the side, which is there, to open and close it. And all in all, it's a nice looking knife. Press the button to close it. Once again, I'll open it to show you the action. There we are. He has quite a few in his collection, and he's kindly lent me this one again to film. Nicely made, very strong, screws, not rivets or anything like that.